Welcome back. Until now, we had been talking about the data structure list. List can contain duplicates. So if we create a list of numbers is equal to, let's say 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, it can contain duplicates, right? So it can contain the same value twice. List is more based on the index. So list is like element at 0 is 1, element at index 1 is 2. So list is more a positional thing. It keeps things in positions and you can add things at the end or in between. In list, position is given the utmost importance. The other data structure that we'll be talking about now is called a set. A set, on the other hand, does not contain duplicates. So if I create a numbers set out of this thing, how can I create a number set out of this? I can say set of numbers. Set is a method and I can call set of numbers and create a number set. What would this have? As you can see, number set does not have any duplicates. That's the major difference between a list and the set. In a set, you will not have duplicates at all. The way you can add elements to a number set is very simple. Number set dot add. Let's say I'm adding the same element. What would happen? It will be only present once. If I add a new element, what would happen? It would be added to the list. Let's say I want to add 0. You can see that it contains 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in a set, you cannot have duplicates. The way you remove elements is exactly the same. So you can say remove 0. So what happens? 0 is removed out. One of the important things about a set is it does not support access by using an index. So you cannot say numbers of 0, number set of 0 and try to access the element because a set does not support indexing. If you want to have a unique set of values, then you would go and use a set. The way you can check if an element is in a set or not, you can say 1 in number set. Is it present? True. You can say 5 in number set. It returns false. All the typical operations that you can perform on a list, like min, for example, min of numbers set, that's allowed. You can do max, or you can do sum, or you can do a length. All these kind of operations which are on all the elements together, you can do it on a set as well. In addition to these operations, in a set you can perform operations like intersection, union and disjoint. Let's create a couple of sets. So I will say numbers 1 to 5 set. So I'll create a set with numbers 1 to 5. How can I create a set with numbers 1 to 5? I can say set of range 1 to 6. What does it contain now? 1 to 5. And I can create another set with numbers from 4 to 10. So I'm creating another set with numbers from 4 to 10. So how can I create it? 4 to 11. So now numbers 4 to 10 set contains 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is what is present in numbers 1 to 5 set. So now if I do numbers 1 to 5 set plus numbers 4 to 10 set, what would happen? It says unsupported operation. If you want to do a union of these two sets, the way you can do that is by putting in a pipe symbol. The pipe symbol does a union of both the sets. So it combines both the sets and finds the unique elements in them. So it returns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. Now, if you want to find the intersection between these two sets, how can I do that? And it returns elements which are present in both the sets, 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 is present in this set as well as in the 4 to 10 set. The other operation you can do is subtraction. So you can try and do minus and this would return the elements in this set but not present in this set. So elements 1, 2, 3 are the ones which are present in this set but not present in this set. You can do the reverse as well. So if you want, you can actually subtract number 4 to 10 set minus numbers 1 to 5 set. And this would return the elements which are there in this set and not in this set. So what we are looking at is set. A set does not allow duplicates and it allows all the operations that are typical for sets, right? Subtraction, you can do a union, you can do a intersection, and we looked at how to find the min, max, length. You can calculate the sum of elements in a set. We also looked at the fact that set does not support indexing. Whenever you come across a scenario where order of the elements is not important, the index of the elements is not important, but you want the elements to be unique, in that kind of a situation, you would go for a set. In set, all elements are unique and we'll not be able to track elements by their index. I'll see you in the next step. Until then, bye-bye.